Good morning, everybody. It is currently 5:18 a.m. and I time traveled to August 7th. As you could see, I have an open plot right behind me. Bo just recently moved out, and so I thought it'd be nice to film a morning villager hunt. So we're going to be trying to look for either Rosie, Judy, Francine, or Chrissy, but let's just hope we at least find someone decent. Sorry if this video ends up super choppy. I'm currently recording this on my Switch Lite and it only records in 30-second intervals, but as you can see here, I have gathered about 150 Nook Mile tickets and I'm only going to be taking 50. So we're going to go over here, touch the lucky bear, pray to the lucky bear that we only will have to use 50 Nook Mile tickets, and now we can finally hunt. So we finally arrived on our first island. Let's hope that it's somebody good. Hopefully we won't have to use too much tickets. Oh my god, is that really not cherry, apple? I can't believe we actually found apple on our first ticket. She's super cute, but I was never really fond of the hamster villager, so we're just gonna leave her. Number 2 is Bamboo Island, and it looks like we have another hamster, Hamlet. That's a pretty cute name, but like I said, I'm not quite fond of the hamster villagers, though I do admit, like, I really do like the curl in front of his forehead. So we're just gonna go on to the next island. Now, who is this? Caesar. Oh my god, he's actually kind of cute. Like, I really love his eyes. Probably the cutest ape villager I've seen. Oop, and he went full shy anime girl on us. Honestly, if I wasn't looking for somebody else, I'd probably take him in, no joke. Filbert! Oh my god, I actually really love Filbert, but he's already on both of my siblings' islands right now, and he's not going to be leaving anytime soon. So just because of that, I am not going to take him in, although he was super cute and I would love to have him on my island someday. To be honest, I already lost count how many islands we've been through, so I'm assuming this is island number 6, and we got Rocco. Yeah, it's a no, we are not gonna get him. Hello, who are you? Oops, okay, there we go. Vladimir? Okay, out of all the names they chose, I was really not expecting him to be named Vladimir. Super pink though. Love that color. Island number 8, I think. Oh, it's a wolf! Wow, I don't know if you guys have been noticing this, but I've been running into quite a few cranky villagers, and I think it's because I currently don't have any on my island. Not since I gave Octavian away. But he's super cute. But I have Audie. Pear Island. Now let's see who we... Oh, I think it's Monty? Yeah, it's Monty. Yeah, he's just not really my type, so we're just gonna leave once he's done talking. Low-key, I don't really like this island just because we have to climb so much, but... You guys, I don't see any villager here. Where is he? Okay, that was like super lame. Anyways, let's talk to him. Oh, he's camouflaged. He's actually pretty cute, but the only frog villager I really want on my island is Lily. Hobnobbin. Let's just not make that a thing. Praying and hoping this is a lucky one. Who is that? I can't see who that is. Okay, let's go climb up here. Oh no. Oh god, no. we're not taking him. He visited my campsite. He just reminds me of like the stoner boys in high school that sat in the back of my math class, so we're skipping. Maybe this one will be the... I spoke too soon. We got Monty again, so we're leaving. So far, our luck... Yup. As I was saying, our luck has not been good. Bacolo. My sister loves the mouse villagers, but... I mean, Bacolo's pretty cute. It's still not my type. I probably should have done this before shaking the trees looking for DIYs, but I forgot all about it. So let's okay, let's just get out of here. Hopefully I can get one done and make it to... Okay, I accidentally tripped up there. Let's hope it's fine. Our hunt just got worse. Oh my god, guys, is that ketchup? I see red. Oh my god, is that ketchup? She's not on my list, but if it's ketchup, I'll definitely... That is not ketchup. Just when I thought I was gonna get lucky again. Lucha, or Luca. I mean, he's not that bad. Never seen him before. Oh my god, it's Lobo! We ran into him again! I actually used to have him on my island, and then Audie came into my campsite. So I kicked Lobo out. But, I mean, I didn't really regret it anyways, because like, I didn't really talk to him that much. So, yeah, we're just gonna leave him. Please, please. Oh, it's Hornsby. Literally every time I go villager hunting, I always run into him. But I wouldn't mind it because he's actually super cute. Really love his design. Probably the only rhino that I would consider moving into my island. Let's see who we have here. Oh, it's Money Rock. Money Rock Island. Oh wait, I see like a pastel head. Who is that? Oh my god, it's Daisy! Oh my god, my sister would be so jealous of me right now. Oh my god, my sister has been wanting Daisy. She's so cute. Should I get her? Should I get her? Okay, I gotta run before I decide to snatch her. Actually, should I? Yeah, let's talk to her one more time. See if, and I'll decide right then. Oh my god, she's so cute. Let's say no. We have a list, and we gotta stick to that list. We ran into Daisy. We must be getting closer to my Dreamy list. Who is this? Oh, it's a green lion. Leopold. Low-key, doesn't he like kind of look like that anime character that is either super nice and super smart, or pretends to be nice and is actually like the biggest jerk in the whole entire anime? Anyways, let's keep going. Okay, this is new. I've actually never been on this island before, so that's exciting. Let's find the villagers, see who we got, wherever they are. Okay, he's up in the cliff, but we are not gonna go and get him because my brother has him on his island. So yeah, and he's not my type, so let's go. So this is our 19th ticket. Let's go see who we have. Is that Chief? Oh my god, I think that's Chief. We're getting a lot of wolves today. Wait, no, she's wearing a skirt. It's not Chief. Vivian. Oh my god, she's actually super cute. But her outfit really ain't it for me personally. It's a little too dark. Number 20. Let's see who we get. Oh my god, is that Francine? Guys, we found someone on the list. We found Francine. Oh my god. Oh my god, she looks so much cuter in person. Wait, I was kind of low-key looking for Judy though. But Francine is on the list and she's super cute. Oh my god. Let me go ask a decision maker. Alright, so the answer was yes. So we're gonna invite Francine to come live on our island. And I mean, I probably won't get any luckier than this, so we're just gonna take Francine. Because she is on my Dreamy list, and I'm not much of a risk taker. 20 tickets just to find her, that actually isn't too bad. So before ending the video, I just wanted to show Francine's new house. It's entirely blue themed, just like her. And I don't know if you guys saw, but she had a photo of Chrissy in the back, her sister. That's so cute. So yeah, it's right there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my villager hunt. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!